We're going to do one last problem. So we're going to skip back and we're going to go to example 8. It reads, a collection of dimes and nickels is worth $4.50. If there are 24 more dimes than nickels, how many nickels are there? All right, so again, we're going to use our chart here. So this time we're going to have to think a little bit to determine what the rate is going to be, because we have $4. We got dollars playing in there. We have 24 more dimes than nickels. So we have the number of, we're going to call it coins that are playing in there. And what we're going to use for our rate is going to be a mixture of those two things, dollars and coins. And it's going to be the dollars or cents per coin, so money per coin. So when we do that, we're going to then have to multiply by the denominator. So that's going to be the number of coins. And that is going to give us, as a result, coins are going to cancel, and we're going to come up with money. So I'm putting dollars here. We might rather have cents in those places. We've got two players. We've got dimes, and we have nickels. All right, so let's fill it in. So in cents per coin, how much is a dime worth? Well, a dime is worth 10 cents. So if we're going to use dollars, though, we'd have to put in 0.10. I'm going to use cents. Let's use 10 cents. So instead, I'm going to put a cents right here and right there. We're going to make those cents. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. Okay. Number of coins. So what we know about the number of coins is that there are 24 more dimes than nickels. So more dimes than nickels. So we're going to let nickels be the X, and the dimes is going to be X plus 24. So X plus 24 there. All right, so we filled in the information that we can. So now to get the last column, we're going to multiply the first column times the second column. So I'm going to distribute here and get 10x plus 240 and multiply here and get 5x. All right, so these are our number of cents, and we know that there is a total of $4.50, which would be 450 cents. I'm going to put it like that. So if you use the $4.50, you need to use a 0.10 and a 0.05 right here. And decimals are going to make it just a little bit harder. All right, so we know it's going to total up to $4.50. So I'm going to take the number of cents in dimes. So 10x plus 240 represents how many cents I have in dimes. And I'm going to add it to the nickels, the number of cents in nickels, which is 5x. And it's going to total up to 450. Let's see, combining like terms, that gives me 15x plus 240 is 450. Then we want to subtract the 240. And that will leave us with 15x is equal to, and then subtracting over here, we get 210. Then we're going to divide both sides by 15. And the result is that x is going to be equal to 14 when I divide. So 14 what? Let's go back and see. If I put my 14 in here, I see that that's the number of coins, so the number of nickels I have. So I have 14 nickels. I'm going to write that. So I have 14 nickels. And I also have 14 plus 24, so that's 38 dimes. I could put the 14 in here and multiply and I had 70 cents in nickels, and I could figure out how many cents I had in dimes as well by plugging a 14 into this. It's going to give me the number of cents. Let's see what the question asked. The question asked how many nickels are there. So this then is the answer to our question. All right, so give this a try. You may You may think there's faster ways to do it, but this is a method using these charts and rates that will translate to a lot of different situations. And I think you'll benefit from learning how to use it.